So before working on any machine, please refer to your operator or owner's manual for further safety instructions. All right, now we're going to be changing the oil on our XT1 Cub with the Kohler engine in it. So to start, inside the owner's manual you got with the machine, there should have been a tube, looks like this. That is going to go on the oil drain. Oil drain on this tractor is on the left-hand side. There's a black cap. Once you pull the black cap, you're going to put this tube on. Push the tube onto the oil drain, push the oil drain hose down into a catch pan. Pull the dipstick tube to allow it to drain. You're going to turn to the left or turn counterclockwise and then pull out towards you. Oil should start to drain into the pan. All right, so after the oil is finished draining, we're going to go ahead and close our cap. So we're going to push in and turn to the right. Now we're going to use our oil filter pliers. We're going to turn off the oil filter. Oil filter's on the same side. Clean off any excess oil you spill, clean off this mating surface. I'm going to go ahead and install our new Kohler oil filter. This is supplied to us by one of our Weingartz stores. We have 6 locations, or at Weingartz.com. Make sure you pull off the plastic cover. And we're going to go ahead and fill the oil filter with our supplied 10W30. And take a little bit of that oil and just rub right on the oil ring on top of the filter. And go ahead and screw the oil filter back on. Now you don't want to over torque putting the oil filter back on with any type of tools. Just good and hand tight is good enough. Now once that's complete, we're going to go ahead and refill our oil. Machine's going to take just about 2 quarts. Once you get done with the first one, pour half the second one in and then start checking your oil. So once we fill it to the proper level, we're going to start the engine, let it run for 5 minutes, let the oil get into the filter, and then we're going to recheck and top off if necessary. Good to go.